Today, we will be going over how to properly manage acute cervical spine injuries. The first AT that gets to the athlete needs to hold C-spine. The second AT must check airway, breathing, and pulse and should instruct the third AT to call 911. The spine board must be brought over to the athlete. The second AT begins equipment removal by cutting the athlete's shirt using the T method. The shirt is first cut down the middle away from the athlete's face, then both sleeves are cut away from the athlete's face. The laces of the shoulder pads are then cut and the shoulder pads are unstrapped. The second AT must cut or remove the chin strap. Once the chin strap is removed, the second AT should take over C-spine using the vice grip. Once the second AT states they have control of C-spine, the third and fourth ATs complete an elevated torso lift. Then the first AT removes the helmet and the fifth AT removes the shoulder pads. The third and fourth ATs slowly place the athlete back on the ground, and the first AT takes C-spine and states that they have C-spine, and the second AT then releases C-spine. The second AT then places a C-collar on the athlete. Once a C-collar is secured, the second, third, and fourth ATs get in position to complete a straddle technique lift, and the fifth AT is at the feet of the athlete with the spine board. Once the first AT indicates for the lift to happen, the athlete is lifted and the board is slid under the athlete by the fifth AT. The first AT tells the fifth AT when to stop sliding the board and indicates for the athlete to be put down. The second, third, fourth, and fifth ATs will strap the athlete onto the board, starting with the shoulder straps. Straps should not be directly over joints, and arms should be left accessible for vitals. Once the straps are tightened, the second AT will place foam blocks next to the athlete's head, and the first AT will carefully remove hands as the blocks are placed. Once both blocks are in place, the second AT will strap in the athlete's head. The athlete can then be transported into an ambulance.